2 trillion metric tons of rock is headed straight for them, and impact is less than 20 minutes.
Let's take a look. NASA reveals complete asteroid scenario hit Earth this year, 2021. On April 26 to 30, astronomers will gather in Vienna, Austria, for the Planetary Deference Conference. This event will discuss the matter of rescue from the prediction simulation of asteroid hitting Earth. At this conference, it simulated asteroid 2021 PDC, which will hit Europe, North America, and parts of Africa. Meanwhile, Asia is safe from this collision. This scenario is set to wipe out part of the Earth and become uninhabitable for some time. This caused mass panic, and the relocation of Earth's inhabitants, who were affected, to a safe location, which was not hit by this asteroid impact. If the asteroid is on the trajectory of collision, the probability will continue to increase, reaching 30% by the end of the week, 70% next week, and 90% during the following week, wrote the scenario as quoted by the Daily Star, Tuesday, the 20th of April 2021. One of the groups involved in the conference is the Planetary Society, an organization which works with the scientific community and decision makers with one goal: reducing the risk of the Earth being hit by an asteroid or comet. The group emphasized the devastation which such an impact could bring if we are not prepared. The impact on densely populated cities can cause millions of deaths, and the impact on water can cause massive flooding on the coastline, the community said. The United States Space Agency, NASA, also revealed the scenario of the 2021 PDC asteroid hitting Earth on its official page. But NASA stresses this is still a fictional brow simulation. This means that there is no real potential yet, an asteroid crashing into Earth, which will result in a major disaster.